English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Whether, here, wrong. Weather. Weather is a noun. A1 learners usually know weather. At A1, weather refers to wind, rain, cloud, sunshine, etc. Here are some examples. The weather is good today. What will the weather be like tomorrow? We will go for a walk if the weather is good. Here. Here is a verb. A1 learners usually know hear. At A1, to hear means to receive sound. Here are some examples. He cannot hear very well. At that moment, she hears her sister calling. Suddenly, he heard a loud noise coming from downstairs. Wrong. Wrong is an adjective. A1 learners usually know wrong. At A1, wrong describes something that is not correct. Here are some examples. That is the wrong answer. If too many answers are wrong, she'll fail the test. We all know the difference between right and wrong. Now write some of your own sentences with whether, here and wrong. Download the free A1 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.